Global Pumps stocks a complete line of drum pumps suitable for use in a wide range of Australian and New Zealand industries. Hi, I'm Tim Webster and welcome. Now, these lightweight portable pumps, also known as barrel and container pumps, can transfer all types of liquids. The Techniflow drum pump range includes electric, pneumatic and hand-operated models, with a wide variety of materials of construction to provide materials compatibility in a wide range of pumping applications. Standard models are available for pumping out 200-litre barrels, intermediate bulk containers and 44-gallon drums. Special mixing drum pumps mix the drum before discharging, making them ideal for pumping liquids that have a tendency to separate. All pumps in the Techniflow range are designed to be completely interchangeable. Each motor can be combined with the complete range of pump tubes, both pneumatic and electric. And with a full range of accessories from flow meters to dispensing nozzles, you're sure to find the perfect drum pump for your needs. And you can find out more from all the W's, globalpumps.com.au, or give them a ring, 1300 145 622. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.